In this demonstration video, I'm going to show you how you can print letters and numbers with relief printmaking. So what you'll need is your linoleum block, okay, and that's this piece of linoleum, a brayer, actually 2 brayers, and then your inking plate that is prepared with ink. Okay, and I'm going to try to be fast so my ink doesn't dry out. So first off, I want to show you my linoleum block. On here, and this is just a used one, so I have a carving on the back, so don't get confused by this. So we're just concerned about the side that has letters. I have 2 different ways that these letters and numbers are carved. The first way is just how you would normally write letters. Okay, so that's how you normally write a B and a 1. Okay, the second way is as if you're looking in a mirror. When we print, it's very important that you have your letters going a certain direction and a certain order. Okay, so if I'm playing bingo and I call the number B1, okay, that's the way it would look on the little ball that it's on, or on the piece of paper. Okay, and so when we print, you want the letters to go a certain way, and it'll make sense when I print. Okay, and then I carved this little arrow here to help us know which side is the bottom. So let me put some ink on here and print so you can kind of see what happens. I'm using blue ink this time. Okay, I think this is ready. Okay, so I'm going to get my printing paper, line this up with the center, hopefully. Then I'm taking my clean brayer and I'm applying even pressure. You can kind of see through the paper where what was carved away. When we pull the paper back, it's going to look different on the print. So let's see. Here we go. Okay, so here's the block, the linoleum block, and then there's the print. Basically what happened is your letters, if you do them the correct way, your letters will flip, and then it'll be out of order. Okay, and whenever I carved my letters, and I carved them like I'm looking in a mirror, so they're flipped, and then they're going the opposite direction. They turned out right. So if I draw this out, if I just draw, let me grab a pencil and another piece of paper. Say I want to write my name in a carving, and I'll just do like a shortened version of my last name. Say I want to do Val. When I carve this, let me get a darker pencil actually. I'll just use some charcoal that I have right here. When I carve this, I'll want to flip the order. So instead of V starting, it's going to be L. Okay, and then that L is going to go the opposite direction. Okay, my A is going to stay the same because if I flip it going this way, it looks the exact same. And then also my V is going to look the exact same. So that's what it'll look like when I carve it. Okay, and when I print, it should look like the top. So this is carving, and this is print. Okay, If you have like lowercase letters, you're going to do the exact same thing. So if I did vowel, when I carve it, the A is going to go the opposite direction. Okay, and that can be kind of tricky. So what I would suggest you do if you're going to do letters or numbers is I would write it out first, and then if you're not sure, if you don't think you have it right, just check with me and I'll check and make sure all your letters are going the correct way. Okay, it always kind of sucks whenever you're printing and you think your letters and numbers are all right, and then you end up printing them and they become the wrong thing. Okay, so what you need to know about when you print with letters and numbers is your letters are going to be flip-flopped. So they're going to flip the opposite direction. So if your B, the loops go right, the loops are going to go left. Okay, and then your order is going to go the opposite way. So if you're spelling the word hello, you would start with the letters O whenever you start carving. Okay, so this is how you print letters and numbers.